Ladies and gentlemen, there is a kind of strength in this world that does not announce itself. It does not shout, it does not demand attention, it does not chase validation. It moves in silence, it grows in struggle, it is built in moments no one else sees. And today I want to talk about that strength. The most dangerous man in the world is the one who stands alone. Not because he wants to harm others, not because he seeks power over people, but because he has discovered something rare: how to rely on himself when there is no one else to rely on. You won't notice him immediately. He is not trying to be seen, he is not trying to be heard above everyone else, he is not competing for attention. He is calm, he is observant, he is focused. And that is exactly why people underestimate him. Because the world has been conditioned to notice noise. We pay attention to the loudest voices, we admire those who display their strength openly, but real strength does not always look impressive. Sometimes it looks like silence. You won't see his scars, not because he does not have them, but because he learned how to carry them without showing them. Those scars were earned in moments of struggle, moments when everything felt uncertain, moments when the weight of life felt unbearable. He has experienced failure, he has faced rejection, he has been misunderstood, he has been alone in ways that words cannot fully describe. But he didn't run, he stayed, he endured. While others searched for comfort, he was learning how to survive discomfort. While others depended on support, he was learning how to stand without it. While others waited for someone to save them, he became his own savior. That is where his strength was born, not in easy moments, not in comfortable environments, but in struggle. He faced his demons alone. The fears that kept him awake at night, the doubts that whispered in his mind, the insecurities that tried to break his confidence. There was no one there to silence those voices. He had to face them himself. And slowly he did something most people avoid. He confronted them, he challenged them, he overcame them. And then he began to rebuild. Not quickly, not perfectly, but consistently. Brick by brick, step by step, day by day, he rebuilt his mindset, he rebuilt his confidence, he rebuilt his identity, he turned pain into strength, he turned failure into lessons, he turned isolation into growth. And through that process, he became someone new, someone stronger, someone sharper, someone unshakable. This is why he does not need validation, because he knows something that many people don't. He knows exactly what it took to become who he is. He remembers the nights no one saw. He remembers the struggles no one understood. He remembers the moments when he almost gave up but didn't. So applause does not define him. Opinions do not control him. Approval does not guide him. He moves with purpose, not permission. Most people depend on others to feel strong. They need encouragement, they need recognitions, they need reassurance. And there is nothing wrong with support. But the problem is when strength depends on it. Because the moment that support disappears, so does their confidence. But the man who stands alone built his strength without it. So when the world becomes silent, he does not break. He becomes even stronger. If you are welcomed into his life, understand something deeply important. You were not added casually, you were chosen. Because a man who has spent time alone becomes selective. He does not open doors easily, he does not rush quickly, he does not invest in everyone. He has seen too much, he has experienced fake loyalty, he has faced betrayal, he has been disappointed by people he once trusted. So now he observes, he studies behavior, he pays attention to actions, not words. And when he finally allows someone into his life, it is because he saw something real, something honest, something rare. And when he chooses you, his loyalty is not shallow, it is deep. He will stand by you, he will support you, he will protect you. Not because he has to, but because he chooses to. But loyalty for him is sacred, and betrayal is not taken lightly. Never mistake his silence for weakness. That is the greatest misunderstanding. Silence does not mean he lacks strength. Silence does not mean he is afraid. Silence means control. He has mastered his reactions. He does not respond to everything. He does not waste energy proving himself. He does not engage in unnecessary conflict. Because he understands something powerful. Not every battle is worth fighting. He has been broken before. Life has tested him in ways that left marks no one could see. There were moments when everything felt lost, moments when continuing felt impossible, Moments when giving up seemed like the easiest option, but he didn't give up. He stayed in the fight, he endured the pain, he learned from the struggle, and he rebuilt himself again and again, each time stronger, each time wiser, each time harder to break. So, if you ever cross him, understand this clearly. His silence is not surrender, it is a signal, a quiet warning, because a man who knows his strength does not react impulsively. He waits, he observes, he calculates, and when the moment matters, he acts with purpose. The world often confuses loudness with power. People believe the strongest person is the one who speaks the most, who argues the loudest, who constantly tries to prove themselves. But that is not true. Loudness is often security. Real power is quiet. Real power is controlled. Real power does not need constant validation. The most dangerous man is not the one who shouts. He is the one who remains calm under pressure. He is the one who thinks before he acts. He is the one who does not lose control when others do. Because control over oneself is the highest form of strength. His loyalty runs deep, but his boundaries are strong. If he cares about you, he will stand beside you. If he trusts you, he will support you. But if you betray him, he will not chase, he will not argue, he will not beg for explanations. He will walk away, and that walk is final. Because the most dangerous man is not the one who fights to stay, he is the one who has the strength to leave. He understands his worth, he understands his value, and he refuses to stay where he is not respected. There will be moments in your life when you will feel alone, moments when no one understands your vision, moments when no one supports your journey, moments when the path ahead feels uncertain. In those moments, you have a choice. You can depend on others or you can build yourself. Standing alone is not easy. It requires courage, it requires discipline, it requires self-belief. But it also creates something powerful. It creates independence. It creates clarity, it creates strength that cannot be taken away. Because when you learn how to stand alone, you learn how to stand through anything. You learn how to trust yourself, you learn how to guide yourself, you learn how to rise no matter how many times you fall. The most dangerous man in the world is the one who stands alone, because he has already fought the hardest battles within himself. He has faced his fears, he has conquered his doubts, he has built his strength from nothing, and now he no longer needs the world to tell him who he is. So my friends, if this message touched your heart, write yes in the comments and ask yourself one question. Are you waiting for support or are you building the strength to stand alone? Thank you.